In a stunning showcase of engineering and versatility, Ineos Automotive has unveiled 5 new Grenadier concepts at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. These concepts include a Quartermaster pickup with portal axles, a V8-powered station wagon, an 8-seater safari conversion, and an FIA-approved rally-spec build, each demonstrating significant modifications and potential future variants for the Grenadier lineup. One of the highlights is the Grenadier Quartermaster, equipped with portal axles and larger off-road tires, crafted by German company LeTech. This modification grants the vehicle an impressive ground clearance of 514 mm, a notable increase from the standard Grenadier's clearance. Additionally, the wading depth has been increased to 1050 mm, making it highly capable for river crossings. Ineos has already supplied similarly modified Grenadiers to the fire brigade in Muhlheim and Ruhr, Germany, showcasing their practical applications in extreme conditions. Another standout is the first V8-powered Grenadier, designed by apprentices at the engineering firm Magna. This version features a GM-sourced 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering 425 horsepower and 625 Nm of torque. This is a significant upgrade from the stock Grenadier's 3.0-liter 6-cylinder powertrain, which offers 282 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. The engine swap necessitated a comprehensive re-engineering of the engine mounts, electronics, cooling systems, exhaust manifold, and transmission components, along with adjustments to the center console to accommodate the larger engine. The Quartermaster is another intriguing concept, built by Ineos engineers at their Hambach factory in France. This short-bed pickup version of the Quartermaster is based on a Grenadier station wagon. The rear seats are pushed forward to create more space for the exposed loading compartment, and it features a custom tailgate for easy access. Despite the modifications, it retains the SUV's 2,922 mm wheelbase, making it a compact yet versatile option. The Safari build, created by Botswana-based Ineos Kavango, converts the longest version of the Grenadier into an 8-seater with 4 rows of seating. This configuration offers excellent visibility for all passengers, thanks to the lack of windows and pillars, and a higher canvas roof supported by a custom frame. The Safari build also features tubular protection bars around the bodywork, bespoke wheels with off-road tires, and a snorkel for enhanced off-road capability. Lastly, the rally-spec Grenadier, developed by Buzz Special Vehicles, stands out with its black and orange livery, extra lights on the grille, roof-mounted vents, and white alloy wheels. The interior is stripped down for weight savings, featuring a roll cage, bucket seats, and carbon door panels. The 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine has been tuned to produce 349 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque, paired with a new suspension system and upgraded brakes. This rally version is not just a showpiece but is set to compete in the 2025 World Rally Raid Championship. Lynn Calder, CEO of Ineos Automotive, emphasized the versatility and innovation of the Grenadier platform, stating, "The Grenadier's body-on-frame chassis has already proven itself to be incredibly versatile, so as we look to future product and limited editions, we want to keep innovating." As our new brand campaign states, the Grenadier is built for more, and over the next few years, we will be showing just what that means. These new concepts underscore Ineos' commitment to pushing the boundaries of off-road vehicle design, combining rugged capability with advanced engineering to meet diverse customer needs. The Arcane Works personalization division will play a crucial role in fulfilling bespoke builds, allowing customers to realize their unique visions for the Grenadier.